Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Dare to Be Creative, and this is a combined small haul from Michaels and from AC Moore's. So, jump right in from Michaels. She hit me to this being on clearance for $4.99. So, I lose a lot of stuff. So, yes, and plus, guess what? It's a diamond. So, but I ain't want to pay 20s, but for $4.99, yeah. And I just got some of the little colored rub-ons. And some more rub-ons. It was all on clearance. And then two stencil sets. And that were clearance for Bible journaling. Whatever you want to do with that. And from AC Moore's, I posted on Instagram they had the $5 washi tubes. Their tubes are $5. $5. And they actually stick better than Recollections. I'm sorry, my Recollection stuff don't ever stick. Anyway, this is the Love Nicole brand. I thought these were so cute. This Sailor set. And I got this because I also got that from Tuesday morning at Bella Boulevard. The C one or whatever has some C stuff on it, so I thought that might could go with that. And then this one is Parisian. You got the macaroons, you got the Eiffel Tower. I mean, you got Paris stuff. So, and the colors are vibrant. Yeah, didn't need them. Nope. This was on sale for $9.99, and that gate die. It's a pretty die. Never would have paid the price for it, but got it on clearance. This was on clearance too, and you know why I got that on, because it's a diamond. But I got it just to hold in case I do an album covering or something. I can put that on it. She probably said, "What? Why you get that?" But anyway, and then I did get two embossing folders. They were on sale. Last week they were $4. This week they were $1.99. And this is a 5x7 with sympathy. And this one says, I think so. That's that one. And that's that one. And that is my haul. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and watching. I dare you to be creative. Take care.